Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Catherine Patinto de la Cruz. I am 36 years old. I'm married. I live in Rizal, Bacau, Aklan, and high school graduate.
Okay, why do you want to work as a domestic helper?
To help my family financial and to support my education of my children.
How are you qualified for this job?
Because I have a experience as a domestic helper before.
May I know what is your educational level?
I'm a high school graduate.
Have you worked abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your recent working experience or your last job?
My experience is as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia.
Currently, are you still working?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any serious injury or illness?
No, ma'am.
Are you taking any medication or vitamins?
No, ma'am.
Is all your child normal delivery or C-section?
Normal delivery.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dish?
The Filipino food, tinula,
And
paksiw.
are you willing to learn any dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your special skills?
Ironing, cleaning, dishwashing,
Aside from doing the household chores,
gardening.
do you have experience taking care of the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of before?
My mother and me.
Whose baby you taking care of before?
My employer.
Your previous employer children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have experience taking care of the elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose elderly you taking care of before?
My grandmother.
Okay. Are you willing to work with any race employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work where the employer, where the parent or parent-in-law or any relative stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have to do all the housework, including gardening and car washing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
2, ma'am.
Are you legally married?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you part of the LGBT?
No, ma'am.
When your baby was born, who take care of them?
My mother and me.
Who will take care of your kids if you will work abroad?
My mother and husband.
You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
No friends and relatives can come in the employer's house. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You strictly need to surrender your phone to your employer in the morning and they will return back to you once your work is done. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you misuse the handphone policy, employer will confiscate your phone and you're only allowed to call 4 times in a month only. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand the rules and regulation of the handphone policy?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not allowed to use makeup or wear sexy clothes. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee when you apply the job in the Philippine agency?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any allergy to food or any seafood or any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends and relatives in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
How many years are you planning to work in Malaysia?
2 years.
If the employer still wants you, are you willing to renew?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken your vaccination and booster?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the dose? Pfizer, Sinovac, Johnson,
Pfizer.
Pfizer. Are you aware that you have to Are you aware that you have a day off, but you cannot go out? You will rest inside the employer's house only.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you infected by COVID or Omicron before?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergo any surgery?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any sickness like high blood pressure, thyroid, asthma, diabetes, or any medical problem?
No, ma'am.
Are you wearing eyeglasses?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any problem in hearing?
No, ma'am.
Do you meet any accident before? Any broken leg or hand or any metal in the body?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand and agree that we will upload your video recording in our website?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer is watching you right now, what you want to tell them?
Ma'am and sir, good morning. Please choose me. I am hardworking. I promise to you, I willing to learn how to cook Malaysian food. Thank you.
Okay, Catherine, if let's say there's an employer wanted to interview you, we will inform you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.